again with the consistency, Today we'll be doing a ponytail. Ponytails are my new thing. I have always loved to style, but now I am just perfecting my ponytail. So I wanted to challenge myself today by doing a ponytail with no flat iron, okay? I only blow dried my model's hair, no flat iron, getting it as smooth as possible, but you can only get it so smooth with a blow dryer. So I'm like, I'm gonna slick this hair without a flat iron because not everybody wants excessive heat. I've actually done this 2 times where I didn't flat iron someone's hair and it came out so good. I'm actually put another one of my clients' photos at the end so you guys can see that you can totally do this without heat. A lot of people I see, they are doing ponytails and they just flat iron your hair, and sometimes it's not necessary. Flat ironing definitely does help. It makes it super sleek, but if your client is trying to stay away from heat, you can definitely just blow dry and get them a style that can last about a week. So that's what I did today. This girl is actually a client of mine. She's so nice, so sweet. I was so happy she allowed me to do this style on her. I think she told me that she had never done this before, so that was good. One thing I found difficulty with when it came to the ponytail was like tucking her hair because of how it wasn't like as small as when you flat iron it, but that could have been fixed. I saw that I could have fixed that. I was probably just like overlooking it at the time. So that's just one thing, making sure that you're covering their hair properly, pinning it in place if you need to when it comes to blow drying, because when hair is flat iron, you're able to tuck it better. It's able to just fit into the braiding hair better. So that's one thing I could have fixed with this. You guys know when I take models, I'm taking it to learn from it so I can then apply that to my clients. So right now I am using Murray's Edge Wax, which is one of my favorite things to use for everything. I'm also using beeswax because I had seen a lot of stylists use that for their sleek ponytails. Excuse the blurriness in this shot. It will get back to normal in a minute. But I feel like this product really helped me a lot. I really like Murray's products a lot. So I'm basically just putting that in and combing it and brushing it to get that sleekness I desire. And then the fact that I was doing a low ponytail, like that too. Low ponytails are hard because you have a lot of hair. You're forcing it to go in a certain direction, and when the direction is low, that's a little bit hard. So I like to sleek the back up first for a low ponytail just to make sure I get that good. And then I like to do all of my ponytails, flat iron or not, in sections. Okay, right now I'm taking that beeswax and doing my first ponytail. Make sure you're asking your client, is it too tight? Because I'm somebody who thinks tight is better. So I like for my clients or my models to tell me when they're uncomfortable, because I want y'all to be able to sleep with this. I want it to be comfortable, and I want you guys to get a couple weeks or a week's wear out of these styles. So I need you to be comfortable. So I'm just going to do the ponytails in layers, and I'm just going to slick everything back using my Murray's Edge Wax, my beeswax, and Got to Be, using those products in combination to get this hair slicked, okay? For her braid ponytail that you're going to see towards the end, I like to do the 3 braid method, and like I said, her hair being blow dried, it made it a little bit difficult to tuck the braids, but like I said, it all depends on hair texture and hair type also. Usually I don't have any problem with that method. It actually works better when it comes to ponytails using the 3 braid method. All I had to do was just tuck her hair a little bit better, but overall it wasn't that noticeable. I don't even know if you guys are going to notice what I'm talking about, but at the top it was a little hard for me to tuck her hair. But the colors blended well. The ponytail looked great to me. I loved the braiding hair she picked. I did her edges and everything. So I actually really like this style. If you guys like this style, please go comment a yellow heart in the comments. Let me know if I slayed her hair. Would you get this style? Have you ever done a ponytail on just blow dried hair? Let me know. Let me know how I did. Go comment that yellow heart, and I'll see you guys in my next video.